Hello viewers, today I am going to teach you how to make Facebook page smart. You can make your own page and from which you can do your business, you can do your you can attract your users on your page and you can teach there, you can do business there, you can do campaign there, and so many things and so many facilities have given by the Facebook. So please try that and understand what I am saying. Make a Facebook page smart. Facebook these days become a biggest platform for the social media. Either you want to promote your business or for your own branding, Facebook become a good media to send your creativity or business to the big group. But any user get attract when you make your page full of smart features. To attract the user, you have to make your page smart. You can make your page using third party tool on Facebook. There are so many third party tools which you can use on your page, on your Facebook page, so it will become good. These days celebrities, politicians, small and big organizations and users are also creating their page to reach to all. It is a big deal to bring users on Facebook. Third party tool can help to customize the page. So the not even the small and big people, but also the politicians and renowned person also going to make their page on the Facebook to get popular. So you also learn how to make a page on the Facebook. Facebook's apps and tabs. There are so many apps and tabs on the Facebook. Using it, you can make your page smart. It is a small online tool which helps to branding of page. It not only gives helps to customize the page, but also give different tabs. But also you can add social media account. This can make your online presence better. When you make your social media account and you will make your page, the people will recognize by that page to you and you will become a popular on social media. Here you can add Flipkart, Twitter, Vimeo, Instagram, YouTube, etc. It is a big social media through which you can add all these facilities. In spite of these, you get HTML tab which gives to publish the web content on the Facebook page. Then you can get the HTML tab. HTML, what is HTML? It is a hypertext markup language which is used to make the web page, and it is very advanced these days. Nowadays the HTML5 for many animation facility and many more things you can do in the HTML. https fbapps.us. When you open this link, then you will get the facility of FB and you can use it. Look at here, Facebook's apps for your page. Here you get YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Vimeo, HTML5 and many more. Flickr, Twitch.tv and Google Plus. So this way you can get it. Then page mode. User can use this tool to increase your presence on the social media. Approximately 3 crore users are using these tools. By using this tool, Not only you can manage your place, but also you can start campaign by designing and scheduling your post. Post means कि what page whatever information you made, like video, song, text material, you can send it on the Facebook page, and there it will display, so it become a post. This tool gives you pre-made template to use. What is a template? Template is a pre-made facility of any format, of any text or any video or any song, anything. Here you can also add a map to get location. आजकल मैप की भी फैसिलिटी मिल रही है, so you can add the map also, and when you add the maps, then you get anybody location very easily. It is also helps to search content according to the interest of the audience. This page mode also help to get the content according to your audience interest. You can take free trial of this by site, and उसका फ्री ट्रायल आप कहाँ ले सकते हो? पेज मोड पे. अगेन यू प्रेस दिस एंड सी विच टाइप ऑफ साइट इज दिस. Look at here. Start now, connect with Facebook. If you press here, then you will get a social media tab and you can connect here. Okay. Then next, WooBox. If you want to promote your business, then this tool help you to customize the business page. It make easy to manage branded content that social media tab on social media with social media tab. It gives cross-channel promotion facility on different platform. Also give option to manage different campaign to attract user. It gives coupon, giveaway, quiz, etc. You can use it. In spite of this, it gives tool like a winner picker and instant wins. You use it. So these tools help you to attract your customer and engage them on the site by using WooBox. Again you can see this WooBox. Loading. Just see WooBox. One marketing platform, endless campaign. You can do here the campaign by signing it. So there is so many facilities which you can use. Then next is Heo. It helps to in email marketing on Facebook. It attracts user to increase your followers. Here you can start interactive campaign with your content, with its gateway and coupon, etc. It gives away, it's give away and coupon, etc. Found here to engage user log on Facebook. जो भी यूज़र फेसबुक पे हैं उनको एंगेज कर सकते हो आप. एंड अगेन यू कैन सी दिस heo.com. Look at here. You get this. Here you can sign. So again I am coming back here. Then SurveyMonkey. To engage your user by doing survey with your user, use SurveyMonkey tool by trying it. Very popular tool for that. You have to sign up on this site. Here you get template which you have to prepare according to you and then share on your page by using help of Facebook. Collector. Here you can do survey relating to the academic, technology, mobile, travel, hospitality, customers, events, markets and research. For any field you can do the survey. As you see the different site, same way you can see the this site on surveymonkey.com. Then mobile monkey, this is a mobile marketing platform which give on Facebook messenger chat marketing auto mention service facility. With help of this you can create chatbot which can help to engage user, also helps auto respond user message and post with help to do user campaign. Here WordPress blogger integration is also present. So it gives to create the chatbot and can help to engage user, and you can post your message here, and also the WordPress blogger facility is there, so you can use that on mobile monkey. Then AgroPulse, another facility. I have given so many sites. You go there and see what I am saying and which type of facility is there, and here the mobile monkey, go from it as I go in 2 or 3 sites. AgroPulse, this is easy social media manager tool. With its help you can schedule your posts for social media. With this it engage followers and generate reports. Its speciality is there, you get real time collaboration tool. You can draft posts and messages and can do work with a candidate by assigning drafts. You can make a post, you can draft a post and you can assign your candidate who are working with you, and then do manage work with them. It has a inbuilt CRM features. From its help to go to you will get follower grouping, लेबलिंग एंड ट्रैकिंग, और उसकी हेल्प से आप ग्रुप के लेबलिंग और ट्रैकिंग कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ द साइट agroapplause.com. Go there and find out the details. Fan page, Karma. This is a social media management tool you will get in single place, analyzing, publishing, research, communication and related tool. With help of this, it become easy to manage social media. By one interface, you can post on multiple social media platform. It also give facility to create post. So this is the biggest facility. Then from one place you can post your thing on several platforms, and facility also provide facility to create the post. So fanpagekarma.com, again you press and go there and see what is there. Here, this is the site. You can go there and sign there. Try it now. You can try it. If you want, you can try it. So this way I have told several facility on Facebook which you can use on your page to promote your business, to promote your audience, to engage your audience or your followers, and you can also sell your product there by going through the Facebook to Flipkart, Amazon and different platforms. So viewers, please learn it and find the facility and make your own page to get promoted in the business. Thank you for today, and please, if you like these facilities, then subscribe it and download it and run it full to enjoy the different site facilities. Thank you.